Lovelies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets SK. So for today's video is the first Wednesday of the month. So if you're new to my channel, first Wednesday of the month is my self-care savings challenge time. Yay! So this is once a month challenge for me because I have a lot of different challenges, but first Wednesday is for my self-care for myself. And self-care isn't selfish. Just always remember that. So for today's challenge, we're going to allocate $80. And this challenge, the powder room, is from Alicia of Saving with Alicia, or A for Alicia for Etsy. It's not a sponsor. I just like this challenge. That's why I bought it. So I'm not sponsored, okay? So for the first one, I will allocate here for at first maybe $20 first so that I can finish some of this challenge. I forgot where I got it. So if you know where I got this, please comment on my description or comment below so that I will tag her on this video. So for powder room, this consists of 3 rooms. The first room, second, and the third, and extra is the perfume shop. So I only have only have 2 left, three I think. So I need to shuffle it, and whatever I finished it. I think I did it wrong before, so I will finish some of this room, and let's see. So for first card, it's sales stock. Add $3. So go to the perfume shop. So this one, where is it? So this one $5, and then add $3. So $8. $8. So give me $12. And let's cross this out. Next. So this perfume, which is this one, $10. The stocks, roll and add the number. So let's roll and add the number. So 5, so it means $15. So 5, where I close it. 20, and give us $5 change. Okay. So this is done. Last one. It's room 1. So room 1, it's like a blush on, or yeah, I think it's a blush on. So how much? $3. So $3. So no more card. I think I made a mistake. So what I'm going to do is I'll just finish it. Whatever is left. So here, I left here $15. So let's get $15. So this room 1 is complete. Yay! And room 2, it's $20. So I don't have to $20. So let's grab here. Hold on. 12 first. So let's finish this. And let's see in, so $8, right? In room 3, see I still owe here $2. I think it's complete. So no more. So no more. I think it's complete already. Yeah, so 2 rooms complete. Would you like to ring the bell? Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. One more. Here. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. So we only have 1 room left. And then the perfume still have, I think I forgot to, so there's only 2 left. So what's going to do, this gonna be 38. Yeah, I don't know. So let's put these 3. Hold on, I need to get some coins so I can complete the first room. $8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So let's complete. Yay! So fourth one. So room 2. So it's done. Yay! Ring the bell. Ring the bell. So room 2. So what's left is the powder, is the perfume room. So this one. So I'll take out Alicia 1. This 3 rooms. Let me get it first. Oops. And let's count how much. Okay, that's 2 saving challenge only left here. All right, so let's count. Let me get this first. So for room 1, so there's a 40, 50, $55. Yay! $55. Save 55. So 55 plus room 2, 60. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. $70. Yay! Plus 70, 125. $70. Room 3. So happy. I can spend this money now for myself. I'll buy something that I needed. So here 40 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 50, 56. So $56. Yay! Plus $56. So 181. Yay, yay! I have 181 here. Okay, let's count again. 50, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So 150 plus 245, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 30. Yeah, it's correct. 181. Yay! Congratulations to me. I still have here, how much? Some money here. What do you think I will do to complete this? Okay, next time. Next time. Next time. So that's all for now, lovelies. Hope you hope you find it interesting, and it's not selfish. It's not to thinking about yourself, and love yourself first. Love yourself first and spread the love to others. So thank you so much, and see you again next time. Bye for now, and see you later. Bye. Be humble and grateful. Love ya. God bless. Bye.